Hi, my name is Joseph Donahue, and I'm a partner here at Block, O'Toole & Murphy. Unfortunately, motorcycle accidents happen frequently here in New York City. A lot of times, motorcycles have collisions with cars that either don't see them or don't account for them being on the roadway. The results of motorcycle accidents are often tragic, resulting in very serious and sometimes even catastrophic injuries. It's important, if you have been involved in a motorcycle accident, to not just find a lawyer. It's essential to find the right lawyer. The right lawyer is a lawyer with experience and knowledge, a lawyer that has handled many motorcycle accidents before. That lawyer is going to know what the proper investigation requires in order to determine how the accident occurred, who is responsible for the accident, and how this accident should be handled. Once you retain an attorney for a motorcycle accident, the attorney should take over all responsibility for the handling of the case. That way, the client can spend the time they need in order to get better, heal from their injuries, and make sure that they're taking care of their family. The lawyer is going to start by making sure that a proper investigation takes place, that the proper witness statements are obtained, photographs of the motorcycle and any other vehicles involved in the accident are obtained, statements from other operators of other vehicles involved in the accident are obtained, and most importantly, to ascertain if there's any type of videotaped evidence of the accident. Here in New York City, with traffic signals that have traffic cameras, as well as cameras that are affixed to various businesses and residences throughout the city, most times we're able to obtain videotapes that actually show the happening of the accident that's able to determine who is at fault. And in order to obtain these videos, the lawyers want to get proper investigators to the scene as soon as possible to make sure that this evidence is secured. After the initial investigation is concluded and a determination is made as to who's at fault, the lawyer is going to then, if there is someone at fault, commence a lawsuit against the people that are responsible for the accident. Once a lawsuit is filed by the attorney handling the case, various discovery will take place, including the exchange of documents, the taking of depositions, and when that's concluded, the court will set a trial date. During this time, the attorneys for the respective parties can engage in settlement discussions, and if an appropriate settlement is reached where we get fair and reasonable compensation for the injured parties, the case would settle. If not, the court will set the case down for a trial, at which point a jury will determine who's at fault and what reasonable compensation is. The right lawyer is the lawyer that has handled many motor vehicle and motorcycle accidents. It's a lawyer that's investigated these types of accidents before, has handled cases through litigation, and has taken cases to trial. So they have the knowledge and experience of what arguments to make before a jury, what items are needed during the course of discovery, and how an investigation should be conducted. Here at Block, O'Toole & Murphy, we have handled many motorcycle accidents. If you or a loved one or someone you know has been involved in a motorcycle accident, please feel free to call Block, O'Toole & Murphy for a free consultation so we can discuss with you the ways in which we can help you get fair and reasonable compensation.